Condition branching statement. When branching takes place based on condition, then it is called condition branching statement. Example: if else, if switch case statement. In condition branching statement, first one is simple if. Simple if statement is used to execute a statement or a block if the condition is true. Otherwise, the statement or a block will be skipped. See here, I given the flowchart that if the condition is true, statement block will be executed. Otherwise, if it is false, it will be skipped. In this statement, we have two blocks or statements. If the condition is true, then the statement 1 or block 1 is executed. Otherwise, the statement 2 or block 2 will be executed. See here the second flow chart. If else condition is true, statement 1 or block 1 is executed is called if block, and if it is false, statement 2 or block 2 is executed, then it is called as else block. And the third one is nested if else. An if else statement with another if else statement is known as nested if else statement. The fourth one is if else if. It is used to check multiply condition. It is also known as ladder if. It is a chain of if statement in which each statement within else is an if statement. See here flowchart. If condition 1 is true, statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, default statement. And the last one is switch case. It is a multi-way decision statement. It is used to select a statement as out of several available groups. This is the flowchart of switch case. Looping statement or iteration statement. Looping is the process of repetition of instructions. Every loop contains a initial value, condition, and body and increment decrement. C supports three types of looping or iterative statement. They are while loop, do while loop, for loop. While loop is an entry control loop statement which repeats the instructions until condition is satisfied. While loop first it checks the condition. If it is true, then only it executes the body. Therefore, it repeats until condition false. While 0 the condition is false, while 1 the condition is true, and it is used for infinite loop. It enters into loop maximum 0 times if the condition is not satisfied. Do while loop. It is an exit control loop statement which repeats the instruction until condition is satisfied. It is also called as bottom tested condition. The loop starts with do keyword, the loop ends with while condition, and which ends with semicolon. It enters into loop minimum one time without checking the condition. Do while loop first it executes the body, then it checks the condition. If it is true, again it executes the body until condition false. For loop is an entry control loop. It is used to repeat the loop for fixed number of times. For loop, first it checks the condition. If it is true, then only it executes the body. Therefore, it repeats until condition false for fixed number of times. In for loop, initial value condition increment decrement is given in single statement. The initial value specifies the starting value, condition specifies number of times the loop to be repeated, and increment decrement specifies next iteration value.